Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Space City Cannabis. Welcome back to another review. But before we get started, go ahead and drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So, for the first time on the channel, guys, we got some Preferred Gardens, and today we're going to be trying out their Pearlz. Go ahead and then freeze the picture if you want to. We got the total terpenes, total THC. I really like that they put the terpene percentage on there as well as packaged on. So you guys can see this is a very recent harvest, with today being June 14th. I really like their red and white labeling. It really stands out from everything else. Not really fancy packaging or anything, just a real nice basic red and white color combo. So very interesting. Little viewing window on the bottom. Almost magnifies it there a little bit. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Got the nice little preferred sealed on there. Hopefully the microphone picked that up. And let's check out this flower here, guys. Sheesh. Of course, we're going to take a close-up look with the macro shots. But I just wanted to go ahead and bring you guys a little glimpse of that right quick. Nice size nug. See some nice bright greens, some purples, some nice orange hairs. Not dry at all. Got a nice feel to it. Nice and keefy as well. Very nice. Let me go ahead and bring it up to the nose as well so I can describe the aroma. It definitely has a bit of a sweet nose to it, almost like a lemon cherry gelato. Nice little bit of a Skittles on the back end. Very interesting. Now let's go ahead and take a close-up look at this Pearlz. All right, guys, and we are back to take a close-up look at this Pearlz from Preferred Gardens. Really nice looking trichomes on there. Let's go ahead and turn it around. Really nice looking flower here. Let's go ahead and grind it up, see what it's smoking like. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm not back with the doink just yet, but I just ground up this Pearlz from Preferred Gardens, and I really liked how it was grinding down. The smell was incredible, but look how vibrant and purple this looks. All of that purple just coming out, and just a strong nose on this one. Just wanted to showcase that to you guys. I know you might not be used to that, but Preferred Gardens so far, looking really good. Now I'll be right back with a nice rolled up doink. All right, guys, and just like that, we're back with a nice rolled up doink filled up with Pearlz from Preferred Gardens. And just like I was showcasing before, it's got a real nice purple color to it. Everything is really popping out once you get that nice fine grind to it. Now let's go ahead and see what it's smoking like, guys. Let's take this cap off, and we'll take it for a spin. Let's give it a nice toast. Cheers. And be sure to let me know down below in the comments if you guys have tried Preferred Gardens, what you thought about it, and if you would buy it again. Got a nice toast going on this. And then we'll go ahead and take our first pulls. Okay, so sparking right up. Starting off with some nice flavor. Got a nice little resin ring already starting to form, as well as some nice color ash. Looking a little salt and pepper. Let's take a couple more hits and let's see if it evens out. Oh yeah, nice white ash on that. Nice little resin ring already starting to form with a nice flavor to it. Let me take another hit. Maybe I can describe the flavor right here. Nice. It's almost like a lemon cherry gelato or a Skittles with a little bit of a garlicky back end, which is very interesting. Smoking very nice. The smell coming off of the smoke is very inviting. And overall, just really nice flavor. Let me go ahead and smoke it down a little bit more, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. And once again, this is a review of Preferred Gardens and their strain Pearlz. We'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. Been chiefing on this for a little while now, and look how soupy this thing got. Sheesh. Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this is the best smoke ever. This was just a really solid smoke. Really nice bang for its buck. No fancy packaging. Just a nice standing out label. I'm sorry. Just a nice label that stands out. As you can see, the Pearlz is already starting to take effect. Not very high on, as far as effects. Nothing very potent. But overall, just a really nice, clean smoke. And very flavorful as well. Burning really nice, stacking very well. And overall, just a really nice smoking experience. If you guys are on social media, be sure to follow me at Official Space City and at Official Space City Cannabis Merch. And don't forget to check out the other two YouTube channels, the Space City Podcast and Space City Grows. And with all that being said, I'll be sure to catch you guys on the next review. Peace.